Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Here's an older radio, the RCI-63FFC4. This is for Ivan in Texas, and it's a repair report. Ivan sent it in here doing about 150 watts, and we checked it out. Let's show you what we did inside, and we'll come right back for the tune-up report.
Alright, I was about to dig in here and I thought, well, maybe we should do a little bit of a before video. So I got this opened up. I'm already looking at some transistors are bad. We're getting about a little less than half power. This is a 250 slug. It's doing about 145. You know, nowhere near the 400. So we're going to check out, see what's going on over here. Pull all these transistors up, check them out. See what's going on. A little revisit to this repair. We went ahead and took out the pills, and what do we get there, Joe? Joe says we have gain numbers really low on these 20, 22, 30, and then one of them was just a bad pill altogether. So we put a matching brand new set of 4 pills in here, and we're still getting kind of a half watts. We're a little over 200 now, but it's about a half watts. I don't know if I've explained this to you before on a video. So sometimes these have a tendency, the power comes in and then the power splits both sides, right? And each side has a reverse protection diode. Sometimes they connect it backwards real quick or something like that, and the one diode on one side shorts out the trace and burns out the trace, but not the other side. Or the bad pill shorted out the trace going over to here. So we're going to lift this up, and we're no doubt going to see that one side is not getting its 12 volts. We've already done a measurement. There's no 12 volts there. So I think we're going to peel this up, and we're going to see the underside of the board, and one of those traces is going to be open. We'll fix that, and that'll take care of it. It's the first time for everything. I've seen the other problem with a burnt trace underneath maybe 4 times, 5 times. It wasn't the problem here. It was somewhere else, and we found it here. The trace comes around. See, it comes around like this, and then it goes over to the transformer. These are chokes, kind of a SMT sized chokes. 1, 2, and then that one had become lifted from getting so hot it kind of unsoldered itself right there. So that's our problem, getting DC to this side of the amplifier.
Okay, we got all that cleared up, cleaned up, tuned up, and now that's what we got. Ivan, on this watt meter I have 100 watts dialed across the top scale. Power all the way up is 100. Power all the way down is about 10. Peak power on this radio, 1,000 watt slug. We got 400 right there. 500 is that little lines. Every one of these little tiny lines is 20.
Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio.
Okay, and there's no sideband in this rig. We put a Top Gun modulator in here. His audio limiter was all boogered up by previous technicians, and it was going to take a lot of work to fix it. So I said, you know, how am I going to clean up his audio without necessarily fixing that limiter? And first thing came to mind was a Top Gun modulator. So we turned our power all the way down.
We used to have an awful spiking signal there. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
So typical Top Gun there. We got
10 watts swing and everything. Audio check, 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 check. But not major distortion. Audio check, 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 check.
there's low power and there's high power.
Audio 1, 2, 3.
I'm turning the mic gain back up a little bit.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we were able to salvage it just the way it was, like that, with one of those.
Breaker 19 for radio check. I think I heard that response from the radio shop. Radio's working. 10-4. Thank you very much. Have a good day.